What if your morning routine is the reason you're not making progress? Most high-performing morning routines share one quiet flaw. They feel like progress without producing any. Cold shower, dopamine hit. Journaling, clarity hit. Meditation, calm hit. By 8 a.m., you feel like you've already won the day. And that feeling is exactly what kills your output. Psychologists call it moral licensing. When doing something good gives your brain silent permission to coast on everything after. You did the routine. You earned the rest. Except the work hasn't started yet. Here's the catch. Your brain has a biological peak window, roughly the first 90 to 120 minutes after you're fully awake. During this window, prefrontal cortex activity is highest. That means focus, decision-making, and creative output are all operating at their ceiling. After that window, they drop, gradually but permanently for the rest of the day. Most people spend that window on a routine designed to prepare them for work. By the time they open the laptop, the window is closing. The 2-hour rule. The first 2 hours go to your most important work. Nothing else. Not emails, not content, not optimization rituals. The one thing that, done consistently, compounds into a different life. This isn't about skipping self-care. It's about sequencing, so you do the hard thing first, and let everything else fill in after. The sequence is the strategy. There's something that happens when you make real work the first thing you do. Your identity starts to shift. This is what real cognitive reclamation looks like. The first few days will feel genuinely uncomfortable. Your brain will offer you every reasonable alternative. Just check one thing. Just get coffee first. Just ease in. Don't negotiate with it. The discomfort isn't a warning. It's proof the pattern is breaking. 30 days of this, and something quiet happens. The work stops feeling like something you have to do, and starts feeling like something you are. That's the shift no morning routine can give you, because routines optimize your day. This changes your identity. 2 hours. First thing, most important work. Tomorrow morning.